Are you looking for online data entry job sites? I've just sampled some of the best sites where you can get these remote data entry jobs and make money out of it. So before I continue, hey, my name is Effie, and if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of my new videos on where and how to get work from home remote jobs. I am a social media manager working from home, and I produce new videos every single day, and it will only be pleasant if you also give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for doing that. So without wasting much of your time, because I want you to go and check out these sites right after watching this video. So first things first, what are data entry jobs? These are jobs that involve entering given data into respective databases and fields, and it's great that you do not have to go and work in an office for you to be a data entry specialist. You can actually do these jobs from anywhere around the world at the comfort of your home. So these sites that I have here for you, you can try and check them out. And the first site is Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as MTurk. So MTurk is a crowdsourcing platform of Amazon, and it's a legit data entry site actually, because this site is internationally trusted and has a very good reputation of payment on time. So you can try that out. Do not ignore this. So the second site is TranscribeMe, and TranscribeMe offers data entry, translation, and transcription. You will also work at home with flexible schedules, like you are the one who will be responsible in fixing your time to handle those tasks. So try that out. The other site is Rev. Rev is a marketplace where freelancers and clients connect to get their tasks done. So you only have to register as a freelancer for free and just get started right away. That is so cool. So another site that you can try out is Scribie. Scribie offers translation, transcription, and data entry services to businesses at affordable prices. Also, you'll just have to create an account with them also for free and get started right away. So the other site is Fiverr, and Fiverr is one of my best sites that I like personally, because I have earned money out of it. And Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can really grow, especially if you're just starting out, because you only have to create an account with them and optimize your gigs and titles, and clients will actually approach you to handle their tasks. As simple as that. So another site is Upwork, and Upwork is also a freelance marketplace where remote data entry jobs are posted every single minute and every single second. So this site is safe and trusted by millions and millions of brands. You also have to create an account with them and optimize your profile and send those proposals as many as possible, because there are so many freelancers looking for those opportunities. So as much as there's high competition, there's also a great opportunity for freelancers like you who are just starting out. So another site, last but not least, is Indeed. And Indeed is a UK based remote job board where almost 250 million people visit that site every month. So you can just be sure that it's possible to grab data entry jobs with them very easily. So I've come to the end of this video, and I hope that I've listed the sites that you can grab those remote data entry jobs. And just before I finish up with this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and put on the notification bell so that you can also motivate me to create more content on this and much more about working from home and remote job leads.